Have you noticed these insane 4D cinema AI videos taking over YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram? They're pulling in millions of views, and it's easy to see why. Imagine sitting in a movie theater when suddenly it looks like a giant dinosaur, dragon, tsunami, or alien is bursting out of the cinema screen and into the audience. The effects are so realistic that people can't stop watching, sharing, and replaying them. The best part? You don't need expensive software or professional VFX skills to make them. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to create these viral 4D cinema videos using AI. Now let's get started. The first step is generating your prompts, and to make the process as easy as possible, I've included a master prompt specifically designed for this 4D cinema AI video niche in the Google Doc linked in the description below. Simply open the document and copy the entire prompt. Next, head over to ChatGPT, paste the prompt into the chat, and press Enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 unique break-the-screen 4D cinema video ideas, each with a different cinematic scene and breakout effect. Take a look through the ideas and choose the one you like best. If you already have your own concept in mind, you can simply type it instead. Once you've selected your idea, press Enter again. ChatGPT will instantly generate two powerful prompts for you: a highly detailed AI image prompt to create your cinematic scene, and a cinematic AI video prompt that we'll use to transform that image into a stunning, realistic 4D cinema video. Now it's time to generate and animate your AI image. For this tutorial, we'll be using Sorio AI. To get started, click the link in the description. Head over to Sorio AI, click Get Started, and create your account. Once you log in, you'll be taken to the Sorio dashboard, where you'll find a variety of trending AI video templates and powerful AI creation tools. Let's start by generating our image. Click on Image, then select Generate Image to open the image generation interface. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for the best cinematic result. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the AI image prompt it generated, and paste it into the prompt box in Sorio AI. You'll notice a section asking you to enter your brand name. Simply replace the placeholder with your own. Then click Generate, and within seconds, Sorio AI will create a stunning, ultra-realistic cinematic image with your brand name seamlessly integrated into the scene. Once it's ready, download the image to your device. Now it's time to bring that image to life. Click on Video, then select Image to Video. Upload the image you just created and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Next, choose your preferred AI video model. Sorio AI gives you access to some of the industry's most powerful AI video models, including VO3 and Kling AI, all from one platform. After that, return to ChatGPT, copy the cinematic AI video prompt, and paste it into the prompt box in Sorio AI. Once again, replace the placeholder with your brand name, then click Generate. In just a few moments, Sorio AI will transform your image into a spectacular break-the-screen 4D cinema video. Now let's take a look at the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.